ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 96 ஸ்லோகா 6. அவ்யக்தம் மார்கயந்தः ஸ்ருதிபிரபி நயைः கேவல ஞானலுப்தாः क्लिश्यन्ते तीव सिद्धिं बहुतरजनुषाम् अन्त एवाप्नुवन्ति दूरस्थः कर्मयोगोऽपि च परमफले नन्वयं भक्तियोगः त्वामूलादेव हृद्यः त्वरितमयि भवत्प्रापको वर्धतां मे. Word by word meaning. Kevala Jnana Lubdhaha, those devoted to the path of knowledge alone. Shrutibihi, by means of the Upanishads. Nayaihi api, and by the Mimamsa and reasoning. Avyaktam Margayantaha, seeking the unmanifest Brahman. Ativa Klishyante, labor hard. Bahutara Janusham, ante eva, only at the end of many lives. Siddhim apnuvanti, they get liberation. Karma yogaha apicha, karma yoga also. Parama phale durasthaha, is far away from the ultimate goal. I am bhakti yogaha too. This path of bhakti, however, Amulat eva hridyaha, is attractive from the very beginning. Tvaritam bhavat prapakascha nanu, and leads to thee very quickly. May vardhatam, may this bhakti grow in me more and more. Full meaning. Those who are devoted only to the path of knowledge have to labor hard by means of the study of Upanishads, the Brahma Sutras, etc., and by reasoning, since they seek the unmanifest Brahman. They can get liberation only at the end of innumerable lives. Karma Yoga is also far away from the ultimate goal of liberation. The path of bhakti is, however, attractive from the very beginning and quickly leads to thee. May this bhakti grow more and more in me. Om Tat Sat.